Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can delete a photo from your Aura photo frame directly, not via the app. And I'm going to use one of these portrait ones to show you how you can select that you just want to do a left or right hand photo. So let's pretend now I want to keep this photo here, but I want to delete the one on the left. The same process applies if you want to delete the one on the right, you just select right. So what we want to do when we're on this one here, we want to hold down the top here, and it's going to ask us, do we want to close, exclude or off? We're going to go to the middle by swiping. It's not touch screen, this is a touch bar here, you have to use this. I've gone to exclude, I'm going to now tap it, and it's asking, do you want to exclude the left or the right? Well, we're going to go to left, and it's highlighted the left, and the right has gone slightly dim. Obviously if you want to do the right, you just go to the right, but we want to do the left, like so, and then we're going to tap it. And now we're going to swipe to confirm, and it says exclude left photo. So just swipe over like that, and you can see it's coming across. And now just the left hand photo will be deleted. It might take a little bit of time to update, but that photo will no longer be shown. There you go. So it's nice and straightforward. And now if we were to go back, you can see that that left hand photo doesn't exist anymore. So that's how to delete a photo that you don't like directly on the photo frame itself, rather than having to mess around in the app. Thanks for watching.